Africa Content TV.
I'm a kick out this about me do that. Also, ẹ̀yin ẹ̀gbọ́n àti àbúrò mi tí ẹjẹ́ ọmọ kábíyèsí most distinguished Senator Kọ́lá Balógun mo kí ẹ̀yin náà màmá lọ́jà mo kí yín àwọn brọ́dà mi náà mo kí yín mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí a jọ kọ́ wọ́rin. Even though I was ìgbà tí wọ́n admit to kábíyèsí sí usage, I was in touch with the doctors, and I sent them a message saying anything tẹ́ bá lè ṣe láti keep Baba alive, please do it. Again, I want to propose Ọlọ́run nìkan ni ó lè sọ pé báyìí ni kó lè jẹ́ pé kò sẹ́ni tó lè yí padà. So I believe that they gave Kábíyèsí the utmost care tó yẹ kí wọ́n fún wọn ní irú situation. Let me say again, a lot of people dey mama how close ni èmi àti Kábíyèsí. Kí n tiẹ̀ tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ politics at all. When I came and I said pé èmi náà mo ṣiṣẹ́ ní Shell. That was it. You see Baba's eyes, highlight of me pé when it is Shell, it goes into our blood. And that ensure pé mo wà closer sí wọn ju pé à ń ṣe politics and all of that. That's the foundation tí mi àti bàbá ní. And then tí wọ́n bá dẹ̀ ti sọ pé Ṣèyí ajá ni ó jẹnu ẹ. Mo mọ nǹkan tí wọ́n á sọ next. Nígbà kí n tó mọ̀ ẹ́ ẹjọ́ ò ti dàgbà jù mí lọ báyìí. It's not the time fún wa láti mourn. It's actually the time for us to celebrate ìgbésí ayé bàbá and his contribution sí Ọ̀yọ́ State and to Ibadan land and the Ibadan traditional institution. Tẹ́ bá rántí kí bàbá tó dórí oyè, we had a serious issue lánìí. Kábíyèsí Ọbámídé Ajíbádé náà lè jẹ́rìí sí. The traditional institution ní Ìbàdàn before him was falling into pieces. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, in fact we got to a point tí mo sọ fún wa pé adé tí ẹgbà ẹ̀ ń láti filẹ̀ àátúntò later. It was painful. Àmọ́ sọ fún bàbá náà yìí pé bàbá ẹ̀yin ni the next tẹ́ ẹ jẹ Olúbàdàn, ṣùgbọ́n tẹ́ ẹ bá lọ withdraw case tó wà ní court, I won't sign. And we were able to resolve the issue, and that is why tí ikú bàbá ṣe wà painful sí mi, because this is a period tí wọ́n ti bring stability wá sí the traditional institution in Ibadan. And I was looking forward see that continued stability. And when the CCI people came to me báwọn fẹ́ kí kábíyèsí jẹ́ the first tí wọ́n wọnú palace ní òkè. I said, look, anything tẹ́ bá need, even me personally, forget about anything government lè ṣe, even me personally, whatever tí mo bá lè ṣe to fast track this, I will do it. But we can only plan as a human. The final call belongs to the Almighty. So I dúpẹ́ fún contribution kábíyèsí lórí wa, lórí Ìbàdàn, lórí Ọ̀yọ́ state. Ní àárọ̀ yìí, Commissioner for Local Government wá sọ́dọ̀ ní pé ọlá ní Fidao. I said, okay, kí la ní láti ṣe? He said, I need that approval. I think I approved 55 million. I approved it for him. And I said, this is immediately because this is my own Baba as well. And I will do everything láti fún Baba ní befitting burial. That is the list. Tí mo lè ṣe. One last thing tí màá call attention yìí sí only unity within the family. Ṣẹ́rí tó kiri ìbá lánàá, aláǹgbó lè ráyè wọ ibẹ̀. If I'm with Baba one-on-one tí wọ́n sọ pé kí ni ká máa sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ ń sìn, I am almost certain 100% pé tí Baba sọ pé àwọn fẹ́ ó ní ìṣọ̀kan nínú ẹbí, because tí ìṣọ̀kan bá wà nínú ẹbí, it will also allow us láti channel energy wa àbí any first contribution Baba to humanity. Ìgbà tí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ ń sìn kí n má gbàgbé the palace níbí, and àwa tá a jẹ́ ọmọ Baba, and yes, this is something tí mo mú dání, but it will be a lot easier if there's unity tó jẹ́ pé the interaction, the interface ojú kan ló wà, and níta bá ṣe, because we still have one more ceremony tá láti ṣe fún Baba, hopefully after Ramadan. And we should even be happy because only month yìí kò sí bí gbogbo àṣẹ lè pẹ́ tó àṣìlọ́ ń bọ́ lọ́ọ̀ni. So if tọ́lọ́ bá lè béèrè lọ́wọ́ èèyàn pé ìgbà wo ni wàá fẹ́ wá, I'm sure majority will say pé only month ni wọ́n á fẹ́ lọ. So tọ́lọ́ bá wá gbà fún bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tọ́lọ́ bá gbà, that in itself ó ní meaning. So what I'm asking for ni pé ẹ jẹ́ kí unity wà within the family, and in my personal capacity and as the governor of this state, at least for another 3 years, maybe 2 months, I don't know, I will do everything láti ṣe ẹ̀yìn Baba. I remember some years back, Baba was very sick. Ní kíní ni mo ti lọ bá wọn ní time. No, this Bella, it was Bella. Ní mo bá wọn lọ sílé. Wọ́n á ní pé no, pé ìjáde wọn lọ sí hospital lẹ́wà. Wọ́n ní Bella ní báwọn fẹ́ kí wọ́n fáwọn ní insulin níbẹ̀. So I went there to meet Baba, and I said, look, with what I'm saying, mi ò ṣe governor nígbà yẹn, with what I'm saying, Baba, ẹ láti travel abroad almost immediately ni, and we arranged it, we made it possible. Ọlọ́dẹ lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀mí Baba. So at this stage, I need that no game, no issue where this been bọ́lọ́run ṣe fẹ́ bọ́lọ́run ṣe tó, and bí ẹni tó sọ̀rọ̀ ń sìn ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ pé so many people ní wọ́n fẹ́ dé orí ìtẹ́ bàbá wọn yìí tó jẹ́ pé kò possible. So God has been gracious unto Kábíyèsí. So ẹ̀bẹ̀ kan tèmi ní òní ẹ̀fẹ̀ ẹ̀jọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣera wa lọ́kàn as family members, and tó bá yẹ kí n ṣe, definitely I will do it. And during planning the main burial itself after Ramadan, Tebati form committee, I will put people within the government so that a lè ṣe tó tọ́ àti tó yẹ. So lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí mo kí wa pé a kó ara fẹ́ra kù, Ọlọ́run á dúró ti gbogbo wa, títí wa náà kò tí ì ní yá nísìnyí, so mo dúpẹ́.
Thank you, Excellency. With your kind permission, that will be all.
I do.